Got a feeling I'm feeling just fine. From beginning to ending of time, I am just fucking around with these rhymes. They've been looking for someone that got it. I get to the station, I'm feeling a rocket. And every word I just land in the pocket. A crowd of these kids and they rocking out topic. I'm stupid, erotic, addicted to comics and trying to love, but I really been honest. And stepped to the mic and they looking astonished. I'm blazing the line like a primo of chronic. I'm feeling the shit in my soul. I'm trying to stay on my phone. Time ticking away and I know I only got one life to go. Sigh, living it up, you can find me at home on a Saturday night. It's not giving a fuck, I'm not feeling my cup of promethazine. That is